In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add merge tags in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to personalize your emails with subscriber data so every message feels tailored and professional. First, sign into your Mailerlite account. If you use Google to log in, click the Google option on the sign in page, then choose your Google account from the list. Once you're authenticated, you'll land inside your dashboard. From the dashboard, head to Campaigns. Open the campaign you're working on or start a new one if you've already set up the basics. When you're ready to build the message, select Select Design Email. This takes you into the editor where you can add and format your content. Inside the editor, click exactly where you want the merge tag to appear. That might be in a text block at the top of your message, in a greeting line, or anywhere in the body where personalization makes sense. Place your cursor there so Mailerlite knows where to insert the tag. Next, look for the variable button in the formatting toolbar. It's the one marked with a hash or pound symbol. Click it to open the list of available merge tags. You'll see common fields like first name, last name, email, company, and other subscriber attributes you've collected. Select the tag you want to use, and Mailerlite will insert a placeholder right where your cursor was. It may look like a short code wrapped in brackets. That placeholder will automatically pull the correct value for each subscriber when the campaign is sent. A few quick tips to make your personalization shine. Use merge tags where they add clarity or warmth, like a friendly greeting at the top or a first name mention near your call to action. Avoid overusing them, which can feel repetitive. Be mindful of punctuation and spacing around the tag so your sentence reads naturally when the real data appears. If a subscriber doesn't have a value for a field, Mailerlite will use your account's default behavior for that field, which could result in a blank. Choose tags you're confident are well populated in your list. The same approach works inside most text-based areas of your email design, so you can keep your message consistent from top to bottom. That's it. Sign in, go to Campaigns, design your email, click where you want the personalization, hit the hash icon, and choose your tag. With those steps, you'll create emails that feel personal and perform better without adding extra work every time you send.